To do a return pass, when you're not connecting to another box, it's always going to be the same thing. So we're going to just yarn over, and the building up of the stitch height is actually done on this side of the work, not this side. So it's opposite to what crochet is. So we're going to yarn over and pull through one loop. That's considered a chain. Now the rest of it all the way to the back is always going to be the same. So we're just going to yarn over and pull through only 2 loops, and just use your hand and just pull off 2 loops, and then push forward, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you're going to do this all the way backward until there's 1 loop left on the hook. And now you're done. So you're going to notice is that these look like a picket fence. There's spacing in between the stitch work. When you do a forward pass, the top of this falls down and sinks in between those stitches, and it goes down, and I'll show you that in the next video. And so when you are binding off and finishing a project, you actually have to go in the forward pass in order to bind off, because if you bind off now or just fasten off now, you'll end up with a row with gapping spaces just like you see. Let's go on to your next video.